Hey, what's up? Some weeks ago we posted a video about dual dash cam from Heaboli company. It is one of the best dual dash cams under $100 that I have ever tested, because it has 2K front camera, 1080p internal camera, Wi-Fi, GPS, parking mode and other features. Now I have another dash cam from the same brand, but it has a single camera with 4K resolution, night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi, app support and parking mode. The new dash cam is called Heaboli HP66. Let's do unboxing and full review of it in this video. But first, please subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about new videos. The new dash cam comes in a brand box. On the front of the box we can see how the dash cam looks like. The main features of it are on the back, such as 4K resolution, 2-inch IPS screen, a built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, etc. When you open the box you will find a dash cam, GPS mount, car charger, electrostatic films, double-sided adhesive, cable fixer, pry tool and user manual. There is no microSD memory card in the package, so you will need to buy it additionally. You know, I like the design of Heaboli HP66 dash cam. First, it is very compact. The dimensions are 58 by 47 by 37 mm. It is really small, so it will not block the view of the road. By the way, it looks like the lens on the front is removable, but it is not. On the back of dash cam, we can see 2-inch IPS display. It is not touch sensitive, so there are physical control buttons at the bottom. There is a power button, LED indicator, reset button, SD card slot and mini USB port on the left side. A speaker is located on the right side. The new dash cam comes with GPS mount. It has USB Type-C port, double-sided adhesive tape, and a wheel to change the angle of the camera. By the way, if you want to remove the dash cam from the mount, you need to press this button and pull the mount forward. It is not very easy to do, especially when the dash cam is already installed on the windshield. As already said, Heaboli HP66 dash cam has 2-inch screen, so you can use it to set up a dash cam as well as watch the footage. Let's take a look at the settings of the dash cam. When a dash cam is powered on, you can see the live video from the camera on the display. There is video resolution in the left top corner. It is 4K in my case. The numbers at the top say about remaining recording time. Then we can see a microphone icon, parking mode and battery level. At the bottom we can see a date and time. There are also 4 icons, such as Wi-Fi, playback, settings and start recording. If you want to connect a dash cam to smartphone, then go to Wi-Fi menu. Later I will show you the app functions on the smartphone. In the playback menu we can choose the files, such as normal video, G-sensor file, parking mode file and photo. There are many options in the settings menu. First, we can choose a video resolution 4K 30fps, 2K 30fps or 1080p 60fps. And then we can choose the time for loop recording 1, 3, 5 minutes. When a dash cam is connected to GPS mount, you can go to GPS information menu and check GPS signal strengths. Heaboli HP66 dash cam has a G-sensor and you can change its sensitivity from low, medium and high. The other options in the settings menu are motion detection, parking mode, screensaver, speed unit, sound recording, volume settings, HDR, fatigue driving alert, language, frequency, time date, video stamp, default settings, format memory card and version. By the way, Heaboli HP66 dash cam supports 5 languages, such as English, Chinese, German, French, Italian and Spanish. Another feature of this dash cam is built-in battery. There is no information about battery capacity, but the manufacturer says that the full battery charge is enough for 5-6 minutes of camera recording. I think the battery is mainly used for parking mode. When the dash cam detects motion or vibration, it automatically turns on and records a short video. And this is a very useful feature. Okay, now we can take a look at the functions of the app. The application is called Heaboli, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. In the app we can see the live video from the dash cam, and then we can view recorded videos and take in photos. There is a big button to start video recording and take a snapshot at the bottom. In the settings menu we have the same options as on the dash cam itself, such as loop recording, Wi-Fi, G-sensor, parking mode, video resolution, screensaver and others. I have already recorded some videos on Heaboli HP66 dash cam. You can watch them right now. By the way, all the videos are recorded in 4K 30fps resolution. I have a cloudy weather, so excuse me for the raindrops on the windshield. I didn't tell you the specifications of the camera, so let me do this now. The new dashcam from Heaboli has Sony's Starvis sensor with f1.8 large aperture, super night vision, and a Novatek 96-670 chip. The viewing angle of the camera is 170 degrees. I think the video quality of Heaboli HP66 dashcam is very good, both day and night. Do you agree? Write in the comments below. You know the features of the new Heaboli HP66 and previous Heaboli HP68 dashcams are the same, such as Wi-Fi, GPS, built-in battery and parking mode, loop recording, etc. However, Heaboli HP66 has a single front camera with 4K resolution. The previous dashcam Heaboli HP68 has dual camera with 2K and 1080p resolution. So if you need a dual dashcam, then you can buy Heaboli HP68. I will leave the link to our video about this dashcam in description under the video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.